Hello guys, welcome back to Venus Vlogs. This is Abhishek here with you, and from so many bags you must have already guessed it that we will be traveling. And in today's journey or travel, we have an excitement of happiness or excitement, whatever you call. You know why? Because after a very long time, we'll be traveling as an entire family to our hometown, which is Mumbai. Now, traveling to your hometown of Mumbai for me is always special. And when you're traveling as an entire family, it definitely adds a little joy to it. So, without any further ado, we'll be heading to airport right now because we have to reach on time, right? We have to be a responsible person whenever you're taking flight, because not only to avoid inconvenience to yourself but also to those who are serving you responsibly. So it's 6 o'clock right now as I'm looking at the clock, and our flight is at 9:55. So we are very well within the time. So let's go and enjoy our journey. Do you know what is the relaxing moment of any flight travel?
What?
Guess what? It's of course check-in process.
Oh.
So now that we have checked in our baggages, guys, we are ready to go. And next
I'm
is
super duper excited to meet my dog. Percy, I'm coming for you.
so now till the security control, of course, we'll not be able to use our camera, because next is what we'll be doing: passport control, immigration, and then followed by security check-in. So see you at the other end.
Chalo, bye.
When love comes in, ooh la la la. Love comes in, ooh la la la.
Done with our food, and now time to do more shopping.
Coming to Dubai duty free is just like shopping festival, guys. So last minute तक आपकी शॉपिंग कर बच गए तो आप शॉपिंग आराम से कर सकते हो.
और ये आपको एक्सपीरियंस जरूर करना चाहिए दुबई ड्यूटी फ्री आने के लिए. इसके लिए आपको दुबई से ट्रैवल करना पड़ेगा, राइट?
और जल्दी आना पड़ेगा. परफ्यूम शॉपिंग, लास्ट मिनट शॉपिंग.
और कुछ शॉपिंग बची है?
लड़कियों की कभी शॉपिंग खलास नहीं होती, लास्ट मिनट शॉपिंग चल रही है बस.
एक सेक्शन में से दूसरे सेक्शन में क्या कर रही है अभी?
अरे इतना मस्त शॉपिंग के लिए लेना है, अभी टाइम बचा तो शॉपिंग कर लेती हूँ.
So from 5 bags she made it to 1 bag. Good job.
लेडीज की ताकत.
चलो.
Ta-da! Now it's time for boarding with our family. So are you guys excited? See, look at her face.
This part is we are going to travel by A380.
A380,
double
yeah.
A380. So it's also a comprehensive tour of.
Look her face. How she is excited.
So this also becomes a family traveling by A380 in an economy class from Dubai to Mumbai.
ये आई काय तुमच्या प्रतिक्रिया काय सांगा, तुम्हाला कसं वाटतं?
अरे मस्त वाटतं एकदम. डबल
डे का फर्स्ट ने चालली.
केवढं मोठं
आई बिलकुल हात बाहेर काढू नका.
केवढं मोठं विमान
मस्त.
So as you can easily see that she is very excited to travel by A380, and she is very much fascinated by the fact that we'll be traveling by double decker. So let's enter.
Okay. Good evening. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right, please. Good evening.
So what have you brought?
वाटर. अपने घर का तो एयरलाइन है.
What are you doing, Swagata?
I'm just arranging all the passports.
Are you feeling comfortable? कसं वाटतं? कम्फर्टेबल आहात की नाही?
एकदम मस्त. आणि डबल डेकर मध्ये बसायचं एकदम बरं वाटतं.
So Abhishek, how comfortable are you?
Very comfortable. You know what? Look at the leg space. This has even bigger leg space than normal economy class. So even if I have a big place, still the space is there in front of me, right?
Right,
Because
yeah.
it is A380. And now other features are like we have a TV over here.
Okay.
So all four of us have got the same kind of TV.
Yes.
Then this is the remote of the TV, which comes out like this with the button, and then I can operate over here.
Okay.
And then let me put it down. So putting it inside also, it's very easy. Then we've got a tray over here which just comes out, and then here will be my best part served, which is food.
आणि दम आलू.
She already started watching movie.
And she speaks
आई
so
कोणता पिक्चर?
loudly.
कोणता पिक्चर बघते?
बाप जन्म.
Marathi movie. So that
Marathi.
means you will get to watch all kinds of movies in Emirates Airline.
That is a specialty of Emirates Airlines. Ta-da!
So they have literally everything for everybody, for all the ages. Even for kids also they have a lot of games and
Cartoon channels also.
cartoon channels also, and a lot of movies. That is the main thing, right?
Main thing, yeah.
And traveling from Dubai to Mumbai, even if you watch one movie, the journey gets over. So just now we've got a
3 घंटे
main.
की 8 मूवी.
Actually 2.5 ना.
हाँ 2.5. उसमें अगर खाना है तो थोड़ा बीच में.
जर्नी भी 2.5 घंटे की है.
हाँ अरे हाँ.
और A380 थोड़ा फास्ट जाता है.
हाँ क्या? Oh.
So let's fasten our seat belt. What have we got in the menu?
We got chicken biryani. So here's our menu card. Sweet corn salad with chicken biryani.
Wait, let it focus. Okay, so here we have got sweet corn salad, which is common thing, followed by chicken biryani. So you can either choose chicken biryani or dum aloo. In the vegetarian option, you have dum aloo, and then followed by cottage cheese pudding, which is common. And then we have some drinks over here, and then followed by coffee and tea again, which is common. So we have very good menu, right?
Yes.
And it's weird. I've come inside a washroom of A380 airplane, but then I have seen every other big YouTuber doing it. Like Casey Neistat has done it, Mo Vlogs has done it. Then why not me? So even Logan Paul also has done it. So we've got big mirror over here. Then this is the commode. And the funny thing is, let's see the noise, or let's hear the noise. Okay, here's the flush. And it's much of noise, and you can't see water there. And then we've got one more mirror over here, followed by a basin. Then there are some, these toiletries. No cigarette disposal, so cigarette is not allowed in this airplane or any of the Emirates airplane, guys. And then these are the hot water tap, cold water tap, and this is liquid soap. So you see water running over here, and it's kind of a cute basin, isn't it? This is it, and it is very comfortable to accommodate me. So you can just imagine it. It is big enough. So right now I'll give you a review of Emirates Airline food. It's dinner actually which is being served right now, and food has arrived. So let's start. So here is our dinner, guys. This is chicken biryani with some gravy. Then we have some fruit salad. Is this fruit salad or what it is?
Corn salad.
It's a corn salad. Then this is fruit custard, water, and this is bread. Then we have got some juices over here. So now without wasting any further time, let me have food. We're going to start off with this biryani. It's really yummy. You should try it. Have you tried it? It's yummy.
Not yet, I'm busy in video shooting.
That makes it currently about 45 minutes. I'm sorry, 15.
You know what? I'll be on vacation for next 10 days, so you can expect more of such vlogs. So stay tuned to our channel, subscribe to our channel, ANS Vlogs. And so far we are enjoying this trip.
Thank you. Bye. Welcome to Mumbai.
Thank you.
What thank you?
So this was our today's flight. It's Emirates A380 double decker, and it was very much enjoyable, relaxing and soothing as well. Let us take a closer view.
आज जितने भी हिडन शॉट्स लाइक हिडन मतलब जहाँ पे ये कैमरा नहीं पकड़ सकता वो सब मैंने कैप्चर किए हैं.
जैसे कि
जैसे कि आपको दिखाई देगा एडिटिंग में.
फ्लाइट से निकलते वक्त, फ्लाइट से घुसते वक्त, और कन्वेयर बेल्ट पे, और
जितना टाइम लैप्स वो सब कुछ.
लेकिन मैंने सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट शॉट्स निकाला. पता है कौन सा?
वॉशरूम का.
This ends our journey from Dubai to Mumbai. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll be coming up with more of such vlogs. So do not forget to hit that subscribe option and smash the like button.
Woohoo!
Let's go out now.
Let's go out.